Day 2, and we're at Disneyland again. We're just in the line for the Incredicoaster. We're just about to go on it. Now, Holly's told me I can't video. I'm not allowed.
Because all the tickets and stuff, I won't go first. There's no way. And you saw people with cameras and stuff, but they don't have their plane tickets on their cameras.
They might do. Have you asked them?
Yes.
All right, fair enough. Well, we're gonna have a go anyway. So we'll video this. We'll video this little bit, and then we'll video the after bit. These are just about to disappear. We're about to go. Woo-hoo. Any moment now, they're gonna go. So good. Absolutely brilliant. Twists and turns. Loop de loop, just fabulous.
And I know you got it. You're with me, let's rock this party. All the girls on the side say, and all my fellas on the side say, tonight we're gonna fly high to the skies, 'cause we're gonna have a taste of the good life. Here we go, here we go, here we go up. Up till it blows up, yeah. We're gonna live a good life, yeah. We're gonna do it all night. We're gonna live the good life, alright. Let's go and live the good life, the good life. Tonight, we're gonna live the good life, alright. Let's go and live the good life, the good life now. Me by, girl. Listen, baby, it ain't no lie, girl. And I can't deny that your sensitive booty caught my eye, girl. Listen, you don't have to be the shy girl. I'm not a player, no, I'm not the.
So me and the kids are just having a little pit stop, bit of a refreshment break while Chris has gone on Guardians of the Galaxy. We don't really like that kind of ride. I think it's a bit of like a drop ride. We're not too fussed. He thought there was going to be a single rider's queue, but there isn't, so I think he's gone to wait for, I think it's a 40-minute wait, but he's been gone for about 20 minutes now. So he's going to go on that ride, and then when he gets back, I think we're going to go on, is it Grizzly Peak? What's it called, Ben? Brilliant. Talk to yourself. Yeah, I think it's called Grizzly Peak, it's a water ride, so we're going to go on that, and then we booked in for the Star Wars one we went on to yesterday, the one where you drive and shoot things. Smugglers Run. That's the one. One where you drive and that, you know what I mean. So yeah, we're on that, and then we're gonna have, see if we can find some cinnamon pretzels. I had a pretzel yesterday. There weren't serving cinnamon ones in the place where we were, and they're my favourite. They're absolutely gorgeous. The smell. But the soft cheese ones are nice as well. Give you a little show around where we're sat. We're just sat under some lovely trees, having a bit of shade. Some really weird, awful, like bright green and purple bulbs earlier. We were queuing up for the Spider-Man ride, and they were like, and it was like, I was stood there and it was like, I had my ears, my Disney ears out ready to whack it because I could see it flying around and something like that, stood waiting, and I'm like, and then all of a sudden it was like that, so I was like, Screamed.
Everyone screamed.
And then it landed in the lady's hair behind me, who sat there. Huge, aren't they? Like massive cockroach, like bright green and orange, purple. It looked like Green Goblin. I said, I wonder if they're like electronic as part of.
Mum said she was upset because she missed the chance to whack at one with a Disney
Yeah, I
ears.
was waiting. It's like battery operated bug. Anyway, I'll show you where we sat. There's Holly. There's Ben. And we just sat around the corner. Guardians of the Galaxy is just around that corner there. So we just sat under these lovely trees, having some shade from the lovely sun. Nice little shaded area. Nothing much to see actually, it's just like a little pit stop area. Holly's hot. Hot.
Would it work if I'd had two?
Hold on.
Rocket unplugs you and starts finger! Show me those hands, people! You got clearance, let's roll! Okay, I got clearance!
We're currently in Olga's Cantina. It's so good, isn't it? Really good.
Always love the scene in Star Wars.
I should bring my violin and do a little.
Fantastic. Take a look. From Olga.
Wine. Nice, try it. Gorgeous. That blue tank.
I'm told that you keep the location of the Bakara base secret.
Escort us to the rendezvous point on Bakara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits.
Engage repulsors and hold on.
Together and think well. Do not get separated.
Remember, your colors are not very well. You might want to do your eyes check. That's actually gray.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. The probe droid out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Whoa!
Prisoners last seen on level D. Now's a good time.
Personnel to that station.
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless.
That's not why I have to run.
Tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
It's our final day in Disneyland, so we're at the California Adventure, and we've just been on the Incredicoaster. We're back on it again. So soon, literally just back on and back on again. Oh, we love it. It's so good, so good. Meanwhile, Holly and Mum are on the Mickey Mouse big wheel.
Oh, not.
No, Ben and Mum. Sorry. Speed's gone to my head.
You'll just see my face when you look this way.
We've come to a lovely restaurant called Naples. We came here in 2019. We ordered a family-sized pizza. Yes, please. And we've ordered a family-sized pizza, and this is the pizza. Look at this. I mean, it's massive, really is. Ready? It's huge. Oh yeah. Beautiful, thank you. Thank you.
Holly just said, what size family is it actually for? Not a family of four, is it a family of 8?
That is just perspective. It is the evening of the 4th of July and we are on the rooftop of an exclusive club that we've been invited to tonight. We're very nice indeed. It's lovely though. We've seen all the fireworks. I thought we'd seen all the fireworks. But they are still ongoing, and they probably will because it's the 4th of July, so we've had the Disney fireworks at the park, which is just over yonder there. And then all the fireworks over the whole landscape. It's just looked absolutely gorgeous, and it's just been a really nice end to what had been a real cool day. Final day of Disney, woohoo! But we've got a day of rest tomorrow. Still good off behind me. We've got a day of rest tomorrow, and then we're off to Universal, and then we've got the Dodgers Stadium. We've got all sorts of great stuff headed our way soon. So I'm going to join the rest of the family who are just sat over there on the veranda, or call it what, on the rooftop bar.